Hey guys, so this is the third day in OT. Third day, right? Yeah. So we had a good sleep. The time is now 11 o'clock.
I had a good sleep.
Yeah, she had a good sleep. I tend to wake up early. I don't know why. We are headed to Willie's Coffee Pub to have hot chocolate. So yeah, we usually skip breakfast. So that's our snack, morning 10 a.m. snack. We are coming back for lunch at Danish Villa itself, and we are planning to go to Toda Village today and Avalanche and Emerald Lake. Yeah, that's the plan for the day. Overall, the holiday is going great. Back to the shots.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I'll fall into
Toda Village, we saw 2 huts. We didn't want to go up because I spoke to the locals.
Because you're super lazy?
No, I spoke to the locals. Thankfully, I can speak Tamil. So I spoke to them and they said we can go up to the temple on top, but we are not supposed to enter it. And I didn't want to risk it without knowing, entering the temple and disrespecting the locals, the tribals here isn't my forte. And also the pathway to that area is really small and dark, and we are not supposed to wear our shoes also. It becomes really difficult for me to walk without shoes. Not used to it. Now we are headed back. The village huts are made in a very unique way. It's like these Lord of the Rings hobbit huts. So never seen anything like this before. The doors are so small, I wouldn't fit in. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't fit in. So Pranalika might, but she was also shocked looking at the size of the doors about how people would get in. When you come here, there's a small town-like place where people are settled and they have houses, and you gotta walk up to the village. You cannot take your car or anything. So the scenery is beautiful here, as you guys can see. This is the village I was talking about. A lot of people settled in here, I think. And when I asked them in Tamil, they said this is Toda Village, and they asked me to remove the shoes there. So we left our shoes near the tree. You can see it there, I guess. So yeah, super helpful people here. Love the experience. So if you are coming to Toda Village, just remember, follow Google Maps, park your car, walk up to the village, and don't forget, very important, if you ever come across a temple, do not enter it. So after Toda Village, we plan to drop by at Botanical Garden, and we even went to its parking. Then we just came back to Danish Villa because we weren't interested, and it's quite sunny right now. It's not hot. Every shade you sit in, it gets the wind blowing, the breeze is really cool, but there's sun outside, so, and we are not very interested in looking at the flowers also. We have seen it, like when I was a kid, I have come to Ooty many times, and we have gone to Botanical Garden, and even she has gone to Botanical Garden, so we're not interested. There's another thing called the Rose Garden, that also we didn't want to go to because that's like the Raja seat in Madikeri. If you guys have not visited Coop, there's something called Raja seat in Madikeri where there is flowers and there's a view and all. Rose Garden is something like that. I know obviously the Rose Garden has a lot of varieties of roses, but man. And there's this wax museum that also we're not interested in because the figurines are not that great and there's very limited figurines according to Google, so we didn't want to go there. So we have come for lunch at Danish here, the place where we are staying. So we both are leaving to Emerald Lake right now. We chilled in the room for a while after lunch. As you guys can see, it is 20 degrees outside and Emerald Lake is 22 kilometers, 53 minutes away. Some of the Google reviews said that the road is not very good. I hope it's not really bad because I'm taking the BMW and I don't want it to hit anywhere. And some of the humps, yesterday while going to Kunur, 2 humps or something touched the bottom because those humps were really big, and It hurts, guys. It really hurts.
The way you push my buttons just right. When we're fighting fire. When two forces of nature collide. We're fighting fire. Can't help but feel the temperature rise. Fighting fire, we're fire.
This view is just mesmerizing, guys. This is the Emerald or Avalanche Lake. Each side is called different, and this one is the most beautiful in that star attraction. This place is called Emerald because it has full of tea plantation and it's green. That's what Pranalika said. There's no proof of it. Yeah, we are guessing because it's so green here. This whole place, I'm pretty sure the camera doesn't do justice because this is a wide angle lens and it's like really far, but the eyes, what the eyes can see, it is just beautiful. There's just mountains, like it looks like someone has painted this whole thing. So it's just beautiful.
It's breathtaking, it's mesmerizing, but my view is better.
Nah, that view is better. So luckily we didn't scrape or scratch the car anywhere. The roads are not that bad. Actually, the roads to Emerald is good. Only as you come near to this point where we are, it's kind of bad because last year there was thunderstorm and a rainstorm and the roads have become worse, and Avalanche is closed for tourists. Emerald, this viewpoint, luckily we found it on Google, and yes, I think we are very happy with this location. We can go to the lake, we can go ahead and walk down, but I think this view is more breathtaking than that. There are some crows there. I don't know if you can see them.
'Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Give myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart.